Hey guys, welcome back to Alleviated Soul. So today was a very special day. It was kind of a different. There is nothing like work in this, but it is like relaxing kind of a day. So actually, I was not expecting it to be such kind of a time today. It just happened with the flow, and I always invite new things. So why not? Okay. So firstly, what happened was I woke up at 4 o'clock and I did my day-to-day work. So what happened that I could not sleep in the night properly, whereas I slept exactly at 8:30 the night before. But yet I woke up in the middle and 3:38 I think I saw my time, that was it 4 or not, and yeah, of course it was not. And then I just closed my eyes and kept, and then I think 58 I got up and started to do my stretching. After doing my stretching, I made my bed and then went and drank 2 glasses of hot water, and I had made rice water which actually got fermented because it was kept for more than 1 day, but it's still good for your skin. Okay, the fermented rice water is very nice. So I did I had like a cup. In that I separated the rice from the rice water and put it in the spray bottle, and then I kept it in the refrigerator. After doing that, I went and prayed. After praying, I changed into my workout clothes and did my workout. So today I was kind of tired very early, like at the middle of the workout. I was not even like feeling to do, but I still pushed myself and completed my workout. After that, I did my meditation, eye exercises, and breathing exercises. After that, I went and I was journaling. Then in between of my journaling, my mom called me, which was unexpected because it never called me in my morning time. But she called me in a very hurry, and then I asked what happened, and she was like, some relatives are coming for the beach. So my house is near to the beach, and we have a very famous spot on our beach, that is the Tilmati beach, where the beach is there, the normal beach, and then there is a mountain. So you have to climb the mountain, and then the other side is the Tilmati beach. So they were gonna come to the beach, they said. Then we had to prepare everything for them. So we started with that, and after that they came, and they called me. Okay, so I went along with them, and we went to the beach. We went to the Tilmati beach, and we climbed the mountain, which was actually very good. It was very early morning. I think they came around at 7:30, so the sun had also not come out like completely. There was no shine. And then we went climbing. It was kind of a joyful time. Then we reached the Tilmati beach. We enjoyed that. We took a bath in the water and all, that is in the sea, and we had a very great time. I think we bathed for around like 1.5 hours, maybe. I was not even sure about the time what it was, but it was a very great time. Then we had some biscuits over there, and my uncle was there. He brought out some berries which we only find in that jungle. So he brought those, we had those, and it was such a great time. We like made so many photos and videos also. I with my sisters and 2 chota brothers also. So we really had a great time. And then we came back, and they were at, like, they had to go back to their home place. So then they came quickly and got changed in our home, and then we gave them some snacks to eat and all, coffee, tea and all that, and then they left to go. And yeah, I really felt good, and I did not even think that I could be going to the beach and bathing today. And one more thing was that so much of I'm like relaxed, but yet there will be some tension which will be built in your body, right? And going in and bathing in that sea water relaxed me so much. I felt like something like a heavy burden which was kept on my heart. Okay, shockingly, I felt something like heavy thing was there on my heart, and when I bathed in that water which was up to my neck level, I purposely went up to that, and I felt like it was completely going out of my heart. That tension, that whatever heavy thing was there, it is like going out, and I felt so relaxed after that. So I will definitely suggest the sea water is really good. And if you find some very clean sea, please do go and take a bath in that water, because it is really, and it has so much of health benefits also. So earlier ancestors and all, whenever they had any pain in their body, they used to go and take this sea bath. So it's a very good thing. And I also normally go in a year once, but this came in between unexpectedly. But I never took such a long one. Okay. And never in the sense, I used to take before, it's like near to me beaches, so it's like common for me, but yet I don't go to the beach. So I love water, yet I love water very much, and I really felt good. Some heart ka burden was relieved. It was good. The experience was very nice. I was floating in the water, which made me very good, which made me feel very nice. Okay, so after they left, then I came back and I completed my journaling. Remember, it was just half. So I wrote down this experience that happened and all. And after that, we came around at 11, I think. So until I did this, it was already afternoon. And after some time, after the journaling thing, I was reading book. And while reading the book, I started to feel very sleepy, and it was expected to me that, of course, when you bath in sea, you feel very tired and you feel very sleepy as well, because your all tension is being taken away by the sea water. So you get very relieved and very relaxed, and hence you feel very sleepy as well. It's like a tired sleepiness. So I started to feel very sleepy and could not even keep my eyes open. I slept there in itself. And after that, my mom called. Okay, and then I woke up. I saw the time, it was 2 o'clock. Then okay, I understood that she called me for the lunch, and then I went. I had my lunch, and then I came back. I was not feeling to do anything because I was so tired as well and sleepy also. So I wanted to do something interesting. I didn't want to waste my time scrolling through the phone, and I had also kept alarms, like set timers for the apps also now, so I could not use them even more than the limit of them. So for some time I used a phone, but once the limit was been given me, like the alarm was been ringing that it's only 10 minutes are left, 25 minutes are left and such things, that I just offed it, and I thought I'll do something good with my time. If not work, then at least something which will serve me, relax me more. Then I decided that I'll paint. Okay, and after so long I was gonna even paint, right? So I was kind of excited for that. Then I had some clothes to even fold, which the laundry clothes. So first I went ahead and did that. I folded all my clothes and I kept, and then I prepared my area, that is my work area. Not work area, I have a separate area for the painting things and all. So I made up that and started painting. So today it was like first day, so I thought I'll start with something easy, okay, but that easy thing also, okay, I'll go in the line. So then what happened, I had already like saved so many painting ideas on my Pinterest and all. So there was nothing like I had to search or something. Whichever I liked, I have already pinned them. So I took one of the most easiest one, which actually was very easy but looked very pretty. So I thought I'll decided that I'm gonna do that, and it was just with the markers. Okay, so I went ahead and I started with the painting, and I thought that it's not going proper. But when I've completed the painting, it turned out so beautiful. Once I sticked it on my wall, I really loved it. Like seriously, might be if you went very inside and look into the detail, you might find the flaws, but I think overall it still looks so pretty. Even a small child can do it. It's really like very simple but yet very beautiful. I loved it. So yeah, I did that and I really felt good. And I felt more good because it turned out really great. Even it's like so easy, it turned out really great. So yeah, after that I stuck it on my wall, of course, and then I decided to make up this video. Then first I went and closed up my doors, windows and all, and then my mom came. Unexpected, she came. Then she started to speak. She was a little worried, so she was just sharing for what reasons and all. She was worried and she shared it with me. She was even worried about my brother, so I just helped her, told her not to think about much about this. Whatever is gonna happen will happen already, so it's anything. I just calmed her down, and then the time was up, so she then went, and then even I set for making up this video. After that I went and had my dinner, and then came back and got freshened up. I prayed and did this video audio recording and all, and kept it for exporting. And while it was exporting, I did my japa, and after that, once the video was exported, I put it out to schedule, and then I went ahead and did my skincare. Then after that, after doing my skincare, I went and got ready to sleep, and by 8:45 I went to sleep. And as I was very tired today by bathing in the water, I got really good sleep. I think so. I will get. That of course I can't say that right now, but I'm gonna say you tomorrow. So I'll get more sleep. I just hope, because I didn't sleep yesterday and today properly. So I hope so. Anyways, so yeah, that is what happened in today's video. Today's day. Very unexpected. Nothing what I planned of, but yeah, turned out pretty good. I'm happy. I'm in peace. I'm very calm. So yeah, thank you so much for listening, and I'm gonna see you in my next video. Until then, bye, take care.